How to find Gmail password settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Gmail password settings on Android phone. First, then open Gmail and now just click on your profile here in the top corner and then just click Google account, and here you will find your account settings. Just scroll until you find security, and as you see here you will find that password, and here you can change it. And that's how to find password settings on Gmail, on your Gmail account. And that's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.